winning and losing is a part of it. We are here to gain experiences to build up our skills. Greetings everyone, I welcome you all in the second round of this debate competition and the final round. Today we have two students of 10th standard. First is Himanshi and second is Yash. Both are here for a debate competition with a prepared topic, and that is, should all literature be continued in modern syllabus or not? Today we have one side Himanshi, who is in the favor of topic, and second we have Yash, who will oppose her. So let's see a debate prepared by them, and let's see who win in this conversation. Let's start with Himanshi. Best of the both of you.
Old books may have yellow pages, but the words still shine brighter than the screen. A very charm and beautiful good morning to one and all present here, respected judges and teachers, and you all my dear friends. This is Himanshi from 10th standard representing Agyan Vidyapit Senior Secondary School, Sonpur. Today I stand here to speak in favor. My topic is, should all literature be continued in modern syllabus or not? So my answer is big yes, all literature must be continued in modern syllabus. Why? Because all literature is not all, it is the goal which carries the history of the future, culture, knowledge and the values, blah blah blah. Some people said that all literature is the old fashioned and old dated. Friends, education is preparing for your life. It's about making your career, and all literature teaches us life lesson. When we read Tulsidas, we do not read the Ramcharitamanas, we learn the Maryada, it's been values. And second one is Bhakti, it's been devotion. And third one is the Dharma, it's been the duty. When we read the Premchand, we do not read the story, we read the real life of the struggle, the pain of the poverty, and the real life of the farmer. When we read the Kalidas, we do not read the poetry, we experience the beauty of the nature and the life of the speaking. From our syllabus, we are not removing chapter, we are not removing our culture, we are removing our literature wisdom. Now I am telling to you some lines said by Premchand ji. Sahitya Samaj ka darpan hai. Its literature is the mirror of the society. This golden word means that we have to follow the truth and duty. The dharma protected by you and you protected by your character. So dear friends, today I live in a world. Thank you.
On a time, a great personality has said that youth is full of dream and world waits for them to rise. Tell me who is the writer of this? I think no one. It's okay, I will tell you. In fact, I came here to tell you. William Shakespeare is the writer. And all we know who is William Shakespeare, and why not people know him. He is such a great writer. But we all know, if there is a rose, then there might be thorns too. Means, if there is a positive side, then there will be negative side too. So, hello everyone, greetings to all. Myself Yash from class 10th, and I am here to speak against the topic, should all literature be continued in modern syllabus or not? So, I don't think that all literature be continued in our syllabus, because all literature is not good for students. Yes, I repeat my words, all literature is not good for students, as there are many reasons, but the biggest reason is that all literature be taught in our school. Can anyone tell me who is the writer of this? Shakespeare is the writer. There are many reasons that can support this, but the biggest reason is that all literature is not relatable to the students. Yes, all literature is not relatable to the students. According to study, students are interested in those things which they can understand and relate to, but there is nothing in all literature which all the students can relate to. And the next important point is that lack of future usage. There is no use of such all literatures in our future. And what is the purpose of studying those things which have no use in future? Saying that all literature is very useless and worthless. In fact, it is very precious to us if we read it at proper age and properly. So at last I only want to say that time is done. New idea leads a brighter sun. Thanks, have a nice day.